Welcome to a tour of your Edcite School's teacher homepage. There are two ways to organize your homepage, by class or by recent assignments. Under Recent Assignments, you'll see a list of your most recent assignments with a list of options for each of the assignments. When your homepage is organized by class, you'll see that each of your classes has a tile with the most recent assignments listed. There's also easy access buttons for start codes, grade, report, and other options under the More icon. You can easily see which assessments are district distributions because they will say Admin Assigned. To the left of your screen, you'll find your navigation bar, where you can open Reports, assignment options like our Library, your My Assignments page, and Creating Assignments, our question options like the Question Bank, your My Questions page, and Create Questions, our Collections page, where you'll find collections of similar assessments, your rosters by class, by student, and even the student groups that you've created. You can also select Common Assessments to find a list of all the district-distributed and teacher-assigned common assessments. By clicking on your name or icon, you can view notifications, open your settings, view your profile, set a profile image, look at the student view, archive tool, or log out. Thanks for joining our quick teacher homepage tutorial.